We'll guide you through how to show wireframe in Blender. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, locate the Blender application on your desktop so you can begin the process. Once you have found it, drag your mouse pointer to the Blender app icon. Tap on the icon to open Blender and wait for the program to load completely. For this tutorial, we will use the default cube that appears when Blender starts as the example object. Click on the cube to make sure it is selected before making any changes. After selecting it, press the Tab key to switch from Object Mode to Edit Mode. When you are in Edit Mode, right-click on the cube to open the context menu. From the menu that appears, choose the Subdivide option. This command will divide the cube's geometry into smaller sections, creating additional vertices, edges, and faces. If you would like the cube to have even more subdivisions, you can repeat the same subdivide step as many times as needed. Once you are satisfied with the amount of subdivision applied to the cube, press the Tab key again to return to Object Mode. Next, locate the shading options near the top area of the Blender interface. Move your mouse pointer to that section so you can access the available display settings. Then, locate the first option from the left within that area. Drag your mouse pointer to that option and prepare to select it. Click on the option to change the viewport display and show the wireframe of your object. Viewing the wireframe allows you to see the structure of the geometry, including the edges and subdivisions that were added during the editing process. At this point, you should be able to clearly observe how the cube has changed after subdivision. The wireframe view provides a useful way to inspect the object's topology and confirm that the modifications were applied successfully. By following these steps in order, you can open Blender, edit the default cube, add subdivisions, return to Object Mode, and display the wireframe view to examine the final result in a clear and organized manner for learning purposes and understand each action more easily.